Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set private share contact number to private number on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on private shared. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then in here, tap on contact number and select private number down here. Now say that use the private number to send and receive files without sharing your phone number. To receive the files with the private number, share it with the sender and tell the sender to use it as your phone number when sending to you. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.